Hey friends, if you wish to save a Word document, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's very easy. Click on File. If you're doing it for the first time, click on Save As. Now you can select a location by clicking on Browse, and then you can, let's say you want to save it on the desktop, you can save it on the desktop. You can give it a name, and then you can check the type. You can also make it PDF, but the default type is docx or a Word document, and click on save. Now this will save the file, but here's one more thing. If you wish to save the changes, you don't need to go through the whole process again. Just press Ctrl plus S. Okay, I'll show you. I'll add something. I'll just press Ctrl plus S, and then I add something once again. Click on file, and then you can click on save a copy if you want to save a copy of this. So this is one part. Okay, and then I'll show you more locations. If you click on save a copy, you can automatically save it to OneDrive. There's also one more way, or you can also save it to the two network locations, which is basically OneDrive. So when you have turned on the autosave feature, it is automatically saving the document to OneDrive, whether you save it or not. Okay, whenever I add something, it mentions saving here. Just notice. Okay, when the saving says saved, okay, in a few seconds or maybe in a minute, then that means that the changes have been saved to OneDrive, whether you click on the save button or not. And if you want to, then just click on the save button here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.